Hey guys, I want to show you how I make my mango pineapple smoothie. It's wet, sweet, juicy, cold, and it satisfies. It was so hot outside today, I just wanted to make me a smoothie. I want to take this opportunity to welcome back my subscribers, and I want to say thank you to my new subscribers. Now, I don't always eat healthy, but I do love watermelon, pink, grapefruit, oranges, cantaloupe, pineapple, and mangoes. So I'm going to go ahead and start my smoothie. I'm going to put in 1 cup of pineapple. I bought it already frozen. And I added 1 cup of mango. I have 2 cups of crushed ice. I'm just going to go ahead and drop that in. You can always add more ice. I'm going to add my Shabani yogurt. I like this kind of yogurt because it has chips of pineapple in it and it has a lot of protein. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. Okay, so now I have all my ingredients. At this point, you can add honey, protein, coconut, more ice, or more yogurt if you prefer. And I'm going to hit that switch that says smoothie. So I've already blended it up, and this is what it looks like. At this point, you could taste it. You can add more ice, more yogurt, or whatever you desire. And I'm just going to pour it in my favorite glasses. And I'm going to separate it evenly because I don't want nobody to think I'm greedy. So I'm just going to pour that in the 2 glasses. And it's nice and cold, sweet, juicy, and it's just so good. It's so good. I didn't add any sugar in mine, but you can add honey in yours if you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put those straws in there. I got these big milkshake straws. I got these at Walmart. They do have all color straws and they do have all sizes. So I'm just going to go ahead and just start sucking that smoothie right now because I want it, and I want it right now.
Hello, we're going to make a quick fruit smoothie this morning, and it's going to be 5 ingredients, and we'll just get started. We've got them right here. Well, let's start with, we've got some bananas here, and it's really a good idea not to use bananas that haven't been ripened too much, and we'll just get that like that. And we'll just break that up, put that right in. And we're also going to put in some yogurt. I like to use whole milk yogurt, and I like vanilla flavor, so this is vanilla. And I put in probably about a half a cup of yogurt. You can use your favorite yogurt. And we're also going to put in a pear. This pear is pretty ripe, so it's pretty soft and juicy. There's no need to peel it. So we'll put that right in. And let's just pulse this a little bit. Just to I'll just kind of put in there. And now we're going to add a little something special here. We have fresh oranges. Even here in Maine, here we have a miniature orange tree. It has about a dozen oranges. I'm just going to twist one of these oranges off. We've got several dozen more oranges that are on the way. We have some buds there. These the flowers are gone and the oranges are forming, but this gives us oranges all year long. And we'll just put that right in, and we'll mix that in as well. And while that's mixing in, I'll add our fifth ingredient, which is some nice blueberry syrup. We picked this up in Nova Scotia last summer. So I'm just going to put in maybe about a tablespoon of blueberry syrup. That will give it a nice color. Add some antioxidants. There we go. And a little bit of breakfast, healthy breakfast, in just a couple of minutes. So you can use your favorite fruits and yogurt, and it's pretty tasty. And we'll see you next time.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to make a mango lassi. Lassi is a yogurty drink normally drink in India, and it's a very popular drink in this country as well. So Chef Imran is going to show you. We have some natural set yogurt in the blender here, and he's dropping some sugar in, roughly about 2 tablespoons there you are, and he's going to dip some sliced mango inside. There we go. Now if you want to do a salty lassi, all you need to do is add a bit of salt. There we are. And there you have your mango lassi. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. Hello there, in this presentation we are going to show you how we make a sweet lassi, the yogurty drink. Now Chef Imran is tipping a pint of natural set yogurt and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Right, if you want to make salty lassi, all you need to do is add salt to your taste. A quick blend. Blend it for about 30 seconds and our sweet lassi is ready. All you need to do is add salt, if you like salty lassi, to your taste. And that's how we make our lassi. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to make a watermelon smoothie. All you need is some cut pieces of watermelon, a couple of scoops of vanilla ice cream, and some ice, crushed ice. all the ingredients in. The melon piece, vanilla ice cream, and ice cubes in there. Up. There we are. A lovely, delicious melon smoothie. Simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please log into my website www.indianrestaurantcooking.com and please click the like button.